Yo, what's up guys? Hey, what's up guys? So today we're working on David's rig. He picked it up for a really good price actually for how the current status of it is. It has like oil leak, but there's something that we can fix. So today we're actually, I think these are raising it, right? Yeah, so these are raising the rear of the car. We're gonna even it out because the front is actually lifted without the rear. So it is not kind of wonky. Honestly, I don't see a difference, but this is gonna make all the difference because we're gonna, well, I don't know if you're gonna bring this like to mountain climbing or whatever, but this is gonna help it. We have the bump stop, we have the springs right here. We're gonna install Eibach. It's pronounced Eibach. Like some people are like Eibach or whatever, it's Eibach. So I have everything I need. I have instructions. For you people that are ADHD, you need this. Trust me, you're gonna say, I don't need instructions. Yes, you do. We're actually working on an incline, so we have a bump stop that's stopping the front wheels, and hopefully it just doesn't roll back. It shouldn't roll back, but you've seen Final Destination, so anything can happen. And yeah, and we'll see how that turns out. We'll see how much I will cuss, because you know sometimes bolts and stuff gets stuck. I have like spray and whatnot, just WD-40 just in case. I don't have anything to break loose the bolt maybe, but it should be fine. So yeah, we'll go ahead. We're gonna lift the lift the SUV in the rear and make sure everything's legit. Take off the wheel and then start taking off the airbags. It looks like I have to do some searching for the that's not it. The screen is basically what it's gonna kind of look like when it's edited. The bottom one is the real like video coming out of the camera. So I mean, I always put a LUTs and stuff to make it look like movie.
The top one, I should use that just more for framing.
So the bottom is where you can touch. Like that one is touch screen. So if anything is out of focus, you just touch what you want to be in focus. Yeah, so that's why it's actually out. This is just to show you a bigger picture and histogram with the colors and highlights and whatever. Right there is because I can't see. Sometimes stuff come out of focus and you don't notice until you're like, oh, there's a 10. Until you're editing. Short. Huh? Yeah. I need a 2x4. You can do that. It's just you have to have something that lays on top of it evenly, so the weight is like a board. Yeah, like a metal board or something that's stronger than metal.
So sweet to me. This is where I wanna be. On up with you, supersonic. We're on fire, rockin' love alive. On up with you. This is where I wanna be. So sweet to me. This is where I wanna be. On life with you, so sweet to me. This is where I wanna be. On life with you, supersonic, we're on fire, rockin' love alive. On life with you, rockin' love alive. On life with.
Okay, so I got the bump stoppers on. We're waiting on the shocks, so I told David just to order new ones because they're out already. There's no point in putting the old ones back on. And the couplings that keeps the spring in is already in also. So now we just gotta wait on putting the springs in and putting the shocks, the new shocks in, and then setting the the height. That's the only thing that I'm worried about. And then yeah, we should be done. So just waiting on that. I just need help on pulling down one of the fads so we can put the springs on. And then speaking of the devil, what? You got shocks now.
Yep.
Hopefully they're the right ones.
I had them double checked before I left.
Okay. Oh, you got stock shocks?
Yeah. Because they said the other one's for has a electronic.
No, they have aftermarket ones that basically pairs with Eibach. That's fine. If you want to upgrade later, it's okay. Okay, cool. So we got stock shocks going on here, and cool, yeah. So we'll put this on after we try to get the springs on. That's what I need your help for.
Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah.
Okay, so we got the shocks on. Let me see if I can line up. That's probably as much as possible. So we got the springs in, the bump stopper on, but the one of the bolts on the bump stopper seized and then just gave up. And we got the new shocks on. Just got to get the anti-roll bar into the thing over here. We're going ahead and we're gonna work on the other side for the shocks, and then we're gonna tighten everything up and then put the wheels back on and see how it levels out. So we're gonna put you guys down and work on the other side. That from TikTok. Okay. Here goes. Is it in focus? This.
Damn.
I don't know, man. They just look the same. It looks the same to me. You're the one driving all the time, so on the front. It's not supposed to be even. It's actually supposed to slant down a little bit.
Well, so if I said all the right answers, then yeah.
Okay. Wheel gap is 6
Good. Oh, that's good.
That's sick, bro. No, it wasn't you. It was Bud.
How do you know?
She said it apparently.
She's literally said, I was talking to her and she was
David
was talking to
The
her.
good thing is I wasn't here when she said it because she would have seen me cry.
You always know.
Yo, that's great.
Okay, so it's pretty much done. It looks like it's the correct height, I think. So David's gonna take it for a drive, and I don't think it needs a laminator to sell an axle. So stay tuned. But we got it done. I mean, after this. So you guys might be lopsided. I actually might be out of focus. I am not sure. I don't care. We just got done. It is 5:53. I think we started around 1 or 2. Waiting until David comes back, see if everything is right, how it drives and whatnot. Should be fine because like the springs are new, everything's seated, everything is looking too good. And yeah, put all the food back, and then on to the next project, I guess. I don't know what that is. I might know what that is. I'm just in denial at that point.